Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Dawson. Welcome. Hello. What's up? Today, hopefully my lighting does not screw up. So if you see me looking like back or like past you or like at something, I'm just like trying to make sure I'm not like overexposing myself, because we all know I like my lights. I really do. And the last video I shot, I was very overexposed, you know, the entire video. So I couldn't upload it because it was just trash. And you deserve better than that. But anyway, since I'm in like kind of a mood today, we're going to be doing an anti-Valentine's Day look. Since it's that time of year again, and I'm still very single. But girl, I ain't mad at that, because 2017 was the year I found myself, and I found out I don't need a man to make me happy. I know it's cliche and all, but like I really don't think I need a man to be happy. I would be happy with a man. Let's make that very clear. I'd be very happy. So all you prospectors out there looking to find some gold, honey, I'm right here. But that's just my opinion. So if you guys are excited to see what dark, cold, sexy look I create today, keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm all primed, and today I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation for my look, because, I mean, at first I was very skeptical. That's still not the right word. Skeptical. There we go. I was very skeptical of this foundation at first, because, like, I was very all for trying it, but, like, I tried it a little bit, but it was me, so I'm like, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna be extra. I'm gonna be so full coverage. So, like, I felt like it wasn't doing anything to my skin because I was adding all sorts of other things, and I didn't try it on its own, and I was like, it's not the right shade. It's gonna be really sheer. I was wrong. I've been using this quite a bit, and I really love it, actually. And the shade I picked, I was worried was going to be a little dark for me. And then at first I was like, when I tried it, I thought, oh, it looks way too rosy for my skin tone. I was also wrong again. And, like, I tried it on its own, like, and then I was like, this is really nice. So next I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to conceal and highlight. And I know we all know about the tea with Shape Tape and the foundation, but I'm not gonna go there. We all know it's sick and disgusting that people are being left out of shade ranges, but I'm not gonna be one of those super extremes who just stops using all of Tarte, because I do love Tarte, and they have confirmed that they are coming out with more shades, so that better be soon. Okay, I'm using a lot of Shape Tape today. I don't know why. And just quickly, I'm going to take my Coty Air spun, and we're going to set this. Well, parts of it, my bake areas that I do, just so I don't crease. Alright, so as I can see, I'm kind of getting a little bit of flashback right now on the camera. I'm sorry. It's gonna be fixed. But let me just do my brows real quick and we'll be right back. So these brows are on and ready to cut anyone who touches us or tries to mess with our feelings, because we won't accept that. Next, moving on to eyeshadow. Today we're going to be going dark. So I'm going to be taking a clay liner, and I'm just going to rub all of that on my lid. Alright, now that we look like a raccoon, we are going to go in and set it, that black shade, And I'm going to use the NYX In Your Element Fire palette for this real quick. Brush. And I'm going to be taking this black shade and just setting towards the center. So next I'm going to take M846 shadow from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to just start kind of smoking out the crease, because we're kind of working in a backwards fashion, because obviously we did the black first, and I want to do that first, and then we can smoke it out. And we're going to kind of build upon that, and we're using red because, I mean, obviously, red. Anti-Valentine's Day, we're still going to be red because it's like the blood of our enemies. Next, we're going to dip into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette just a bit to kind of smoke out the crease a little bit more. We're going to take a little bit of Love Letter, Red Ochre, and, if I can say this right, Buon Fresco. We're going to go with that. And I'm just going to take those and just kind of add it to the Makeup Forever shadow to give it some more depth. Alright, and here's where we are right now. As you can see, the black to red is kind of not there. So we are going to go back to the NYX In Your Element Fire palette, and we are just going to continue with that black and just kind of blend the two together. That was kind of my plan for this, and it's working out for once. So, there's the top of the eye. Hi. Dark and sultry. Never heard of her. But yeah. So next, all we have to do is smoke out the lower lash line now, which I'm going to really smoke it out because, I need to even this out. I'm like all up here and no down here. I'm like, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to start this time with these colors here to do that, and then I'll go to the black because that's a lot easier for the lower lash line because I can just put the black on my waterline. Yeah. Okay, so I look like a vampire right now, I know. And for liner today, I'm actually going to be using the Clinique Intense Ebony because it's actually not terrible, I found out. I think I already broke it though. Yeah, I think I already broke it. Oh well. And I'm just going to finish off the lash line with the black shade to blend a bit more. And really get that smoky look for the lash line. I hope you guys can see this very well, because I've worked really hard to get this actually. It's not as easy as just like putting black stuff on your face. It really isn't. There's a lot of blending that you have to do. I need to be careful with the cream, because I definitely got some on my nose. Okay, so to not look as much like a vampire, we're going to contour and bronze real quick so we don't look actually dead. And I'm going to be going in with my, of course, NYX 3-step to Sculpt, because I can't talk tonight. And because, look at that pan! Like, I love this stuff so much. And to warm up the rest of the face, we're going to go in with my favorite Elf bronzer in Toffee. And we're just going to lightly caress the face. So much for lightly. Okay, now that she's pinched, we are going to go in with blush to give us a little bit of color so we don't look as dead. And honestly, just to match the red vibe, we're going to go in with Cola Pop from Clinique. And you literally need no product because it goes so long and it's very pigmented. And it's a very intense color. Like, it's not much, but it's there. And it's a lot of a difference. So today, our highlight is going to match our heart. Ice cold. Hi. And I'm not saying we're mixing with anything. I'm saying pure ice cold. No Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop Warmth. Just this. But hi. She's pretty. Alright, so now that we're blinding all of our haters because nobody likes us, we're gonna do our lips so they look voluptuous. And to match my stone cold heart, we're gonna go in with Medusa from the Jeffree Star 2017 Holiday Collection. So here is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this soft, easy date night glam. Just kidding. I hope you enjoyed this very dramatic, kind of broken stone ice cold heart a look that I did today. I know I kind of ended up looking like a vampire, so I mean, if you wanted to do this look for Halloween, I mean, you go right ahead, honey, because it's basically the same thing. I wanted to be more like stone cold, but this is what I got, and I mean, I ain't mad at this, okay? Like, I'm feeling very anti-Valentine's Day. I'm feeling no love whatsoever. Like, all emotions gone. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I do feel the love from you guys, and I would love it personally if you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when I post, because we've been growing in numbers a bit more, and like I've been kind of mentioning, I do really want to do a giveaway once I hit 500 subscribers, so spread the word about me, tell them to subscribe. I mean, and I'm going to do 3 winners for this giveaway, and I mean, I'm not going to do like some just bad giveaway. It's gonna be a good giveaway. I'm gonna do like a few palettes, a few fun products, things that I actually like and like use, and like it's gonna be good. At least like $500 worth of products, because 500, I'm gonna give away $500 worth of stuff. But there will be 3 winners, so you have a pretty good chance of winning if you do. But I mean, hey, that's not gonna happen until we hit 500, so spread the word if you wanna win. And then, if you didn't already subscribe, because you have the power to do that, I see you. I see you, ghost. You're not subscribed, but you should be. But also like this video, because I like it when you like it, because that lets me know that you guys are enjoying my content, and I'm really trying hard to get you more content, better content, and I'm trying really hard, and we're just getting there slowly but surely. And I love you guys so much, even though I don't look it. Okay, love you guys. Bye!